What if I told you the bricks used to build your home would soon be made without pollution? Sounds impossible, right? But it's actually happening. In the United Kingdom, a company is building the world's first hydrogen powered brick factory. Normally, bricks are made using natural gas, which releases a lot of carbon dioxide into the air. But this new plant will use green hydrogen instead. Here's the amazing part. When hydrogen burns, it doesn't produce carbon pollution. It only releases water vapor. At their factory, they are replacing 224 gas burners with hydrogen systems without even rebuilding the entire plant. This one change will cut over 11,000 tons of carbon dioxide every year. That's equal to the pollution from nearly 5,000 homes. And the best part, the bricks will look the same, feel the same, and stay just as strong. This isn't just about bricks, it's about the future of construction. Cleaner buildings, greener cities, and a healthier planet.